So I'm gonna just check this really super quickly. Yep, looks like it's working, so that's great. So today, this is Holden and Boo, super fun open source adventures. And we're going to look at MentionBot, which is end of life, but from Facebook. And we'll look at the Spark PR dashboard, and we'll see if we can get a fork of that working for Beam or Kafka. I'm Holden. My preferred pronouns are she or her. I'm a developer advocate at Google. I'm on the Spark PMC, and I contribute to Beam and other projects. I've been at a whole bunch of other companies. They're all nice people. They paid me money. I'm a co-author of 2 books. I get a much better royalty deal on this one, High Performance Spark, and there are some other places where you can follow me on the internet. And in addition to who I am professionally, I'm queer, trans, Canadian, and part of the leather community. It's not particularly relevant for open source code reviews directly, but I think it's useful to remember that we all come from different backgrounds. And this is Boo. She's awesome. She also uses she, her pronouns, and she is the best Doge. And with that, we are going to, I guess, get our work started. I'm going to put some music back on for myself. I think somewhere in here is music. Oh yeah, here is my music. Yay! And, you know, hopefully you can't hear it because I don't want my video to get taken down, hence the headphones. So let's go and start with MentionBot from Facebook. I'm going to try and get it working in a Kubernetes cluster because I have relatively easy access to those. And my coffee cup says inappropriate things, so don't read what it says on it. Let's get this party started, I suppose. Actually, before we jump into that too far, if you are an open source maintainer and you're interested in chatting about your challenges or fun maintaining open source, I have this OSS maintainer meeting, which I'm trying to schedule for the first time, sort of a round table. You can find the link. I tweeted it fairly recently. And just go and fill out when you're available for that, and we'll do something there. Okay, so with that, let's get into MentionBot and all of that fun stuff. Or actually, let's look at Spark PR dashboard because it's the first link I found. So Spark PR dashboard is really useful for the Spark project because there's so many different components. There's 558 open non-stale pull requests. And we have a lot of people working together, sometimes on each pull request. And knowing when something is something that you should be paying attention to can be a little bit challenging. And so for me, I often focus my time in machine learning and Python. I can see who else is involved in it. I can see if a pull request is currently merging. I can see if it's passing CI. And it gives me a really nice sort of heads-up look at what's going on. And I think this is really cool, and I think this would be really useful to bring to some other projects. I showed this to a friend who works in Kafka, and she thought it was pretty cool. I don't work in the Kafka project nearly as much as I do in the Spark or Beam projects, so I was thinking about maybe trying to bring it to Beam today. But the other thing which came up recently is, in addition to this is really good for helping people who are already actively involved in your review process be able to find what they want more easily. And another approach to this is trying to engage with people who are perhaps not as actively engaged, but they've written some code. Doesn't make sense for them to come and check a dashboard every morning or even every week. But if someone's working on something related to their code, they'd probably be happy to help you review it. And that's where I think MentionBot could really be quite useful. And I don't remember which tab had that because I have way too many tabs. So let's go ahead and Facebook Archive MentionBot. Now, this is never a good sign when it's archived. So I don't know if this works, but I'm going to try and see if we can get it working. And I've talked to some of the other PMC members in Spark, and there's been interest in seeing something like this sort of present for Spark. And so I'm going to start with doing this for Spark, but then we can also hopefully try and get something like that turned on for Beam as well if people are interested. I sent out an email on the Beam dev list earlier today, and we'll see what people say in the Beam world. There's some weird video artifacts going on because software is amazing, so I hope they're not too distracting. If they are, let me know, and I can try restarting the browser, I guess. Or actually, these are pretty annoying to me. I'm just going to restart the browser. Oh. Yeah, okay, just give me a second. PSA UX, pipe grep Chrome. I probably don't need sudo kill all Chrome. Cool. And we're not going to bother restoring because it's a lot of things. So we're going to bring this back up. We're going to go look at MentionBot, GitHub, Facebook, MentionBot. And I have a fork of it, so let's go find my fork. And let's go ahead and swap this over to SSH and clone this. Okay. Now, I'm not a JavaScript developer, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So this is going to be an interesting adventure. And should we put hashtag Apache? Sure, I guess that makes sense. I mean, yeah, this is all Apache related stuff. I'm not sure where you want to put hashtag Apache, but I can definitely put it in the finished video, which will get produced. Oh yeah, maybe on Twitter. Yeah. I'll in the finished version I'll include some additional hashtags. So okay, yeah. Have I got this? Yeah. Okay. So MentionBot, yay. I don't know if this is going to work, and I probably don't have the right tools installed, so we are going to probably install those tools as we go. npm. Ooh. That's not good. Let's install it. Yay! Oh, message retracted. Oh, sorry. Don't. Yeah. Install all the dependencies. Yay. Let's see if this still works locally. Because if I can't get it to run on my own machine, I'm probably not going to be able to get it to run. Oh, hashtag Apache Beam as a tag. Yeah, that makes sense. Cool. That, I hope, was a success message. It might have been an error message. No, looks good. That looks like a great success. So cool. So we can try and get this set up for Apache Spark and Apache Beam. I don't want to run this locally on my own machine, though. That's like not super a lot of fun. I would like to set this up to run on a Kubernetes cluster, and thankfully I have a bunch of those, or I can have a bunch of those, because I work for Google. Yay. And I mean, you can also have them even if you don't work for Google. You just have to give them money in exchange for services. So let's go down. Hamburger menu, Kubernetes engine, cluster. Normally my Kubernetes stuff that I do is for testing, and this will have to be a little more long-term, regional, or zonal. I don't know the difference or really care. Yeah, let's... Yeah, sure. Yeah. Oh shit, I should have given this a more useful name. Damn it. Let's... Whatever, create a new cluster and I can get rid of that one later. What do we want to call this? Review tools cluster. Zonal, central sounds fine. 30 gigs of memory. Automatic node repair. More happy fun things. Probably don't need auto scaling. Don't need private cluster. Network is, yeah, default network, subnet. Yeah, let's start with this, and if it doesn't work, we can fix it later. Okay, review tools cluster. Yay! So I want Docker Compose. There's a translation layer to Docker Compose to Kubernetes. Okay, I probably don't have kubectl installed on this machine, but that's okay. We can install that pretty quickly. This is a machine. This is my desktop at home, so it doesn't have a lot of the same fun stuff. Oh, cool! Installed on it. But the nice benefit of me doing it on this is you get to see all of the fun installation process that I get to do. Let's assume that this documentation, yeah, is probably a little out of date. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, download this into... Cool. Okay. Do I have sudo? No. Okay. Export. Path. My brain is, yeah, okay. Export path equals $send path. And we'll also add this to my bash RC while I'm here, so that future Holden still has access to this. Okay, compose. Now, chmod a+x compose. Yay, software. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, I probably didn't need a new Emacs. Let's go ahead. So this is repos. This is called mentionbot and docker compose.yml. Does this have any ports defined? Yay, cool. Ooh. So oh yeah, I haven't actually connected to my Kubernetes cluster, so let's go ahead and actually connect to our Kubernetes cluster first. Probably actually don't have gcloud installed either on this machine, although I might. I don't know. Oh, I do. Okay, cool. Let's do Well, let's do compose. Let's follow the guide because who knows? Maybe this will give us a more useful error message if something goes wrong. Cool. Error while deploying application. K-transform failed. Image key required within build parameters. And okay. Googling for error messages. Yay. What's issue 911? Let's go dig into this. Yeah, okay, so my guess is that it needs some, it's looking for the environment variables. So let's go ahead, we'll set those to 2 dummy values really quickly. And GitHub underscore token equals 72. Okay, so I'll run this. Nope, that's not it. Okay. Image key required within build parameters. Well, what happens if we switch a 3 for a 2? Nope, that's not it. Well, let's try compose convert. And maybe this will give me a different error message. Okay, wait, that worked. Okay. Okay, kubectl -f web service.yaml. Oh, create. Yeah. Oh. That's weird. I was expecting that to fail. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah. Cube ctl get deployment. Okay, service. Okay. Does this work? Trying and failing to pull image. Okay. So the base image, yes, this makes sense. We didn't publish this to the Docker registry, which would be why this is all kinds of sadness. Although, well, let's go take a look. Let's double check. Yeah, okay. Backed off pulling image web. Okay. So I need to publish this. Probably give it a more useful name besides web. Where were we? Back here. Oh, okay, yes. Oh, I don't have Docker installed. That's... I'm surprised kubectl worked at all. I guess it doesn't, strictly speaking, depend on Docker. Okay. I want to give myself permission. I'm going to do something bad, and you should not do this, but this is my local machine. Well, okay, groups. Oh, actually, this is... Yeah, all right, cool. Okay. These are not good error messages. But I want to get it working first, and then we can fix the deprecation error messages. Or then we can fix the deprecated libraries. Because if I try and fix the deprecated libraries first, and then make it work, that's gonna be all kinds of sad. Okay. Docker containers ls, I think. Container ls. Images. Cool. Mention bot. There was a thing I had to do to upload the Spark Docker images to my registry. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I'm trying to remember what exactly it was, though. I think it's like gcloud docker push, and just because I don't run my own registry, gcloud docker push. Oh, do I have to? No, I've already had a tag it. Okay. Docker images, Docker tag, mention bot. It's Boo's demo projects are rad, I think, is the name of my project. Mention bot latest. gcloud docker push. Wait, gcloud docker push. Oh, this just says, do I not have to alias? Yeah. Okay. I do actually have to do this step. Okay. Oh, interesting. gcloud auth configure docker. Sure, so we did that. gcloud auth configure docker. Already registered correctly. I don't have the permissions required, or I may have invalid credentials. Cool. Why is this not being happy? Is that not my right project information? Okay. I mean, am I authenticated as the right user? Oh, I should be. gcloud auth. Yeah, okay, this is programmerboo@gmail.com, which is the right application. gcloud auth configure docker. Docker -- version 17. Whatever. Let's punch this into Google and see what we get with. Yay! Huh. No, it's scaffold. Probably don't want to print out my Oauth 2 access tokens. I'll go ahead and print out my access tokens over here. Oh no, it doesn't. It actually just says Oauth 2 access token. Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna gsutil ls gs dash stuff. Yeah, okay, so I clearly have auth of a sort. Gcloud container images list. Okay, so it has some access. Sometimes I do this and it's because I just screwed up a copy paste of some type. Let's try. No. Annoying piece of shit. Let's try this. Yeah. Whatever, let's put it here. That shouldn't work. Okay. Damn it. Fucking software. Well, whatever. Let's rerun gcloud init for all we know. Reinitialize this configuration. That's the default project. Sure. Let's go US West 1B. Sure. Okay. Go docker push. Damn it. Why is this not working? Damn it. Well, actually, yeah, here, let's try and do an image pull first. I don't... gcloud. It's, Docker. So I think it's safe to say that something is really weird with my configuration, which is not a lot of fun to debug. I'm sorry, y'all. So, alright, we go ahead with, yeah. Why is this? Gcloud Docker version? Oh, let's see what version of Docker they want. Let's really... Yeah, all right. So it's the pull command we tried to do. No. Gcloud Docker configuration. No, nothing there. Okay, let's try Docker logout. Docker logout. Gcloud Docker logout. Let's just manually download Docker. I don't want the fancy one. Wait, why am I going to a store? Ugh. Sudo aptitude install Docker. Docker -- version. I mean, goddamn. Yeah, 1.5 is pretty old. This is version 17. This is the same version. Which gcloud? Which Docker? Gcloud, Docker. Okay. Gcloud auth configure Docker. Let's try this once more. You say this, but I'm suspicious of these claims. If this keeps going, we'll just go back and we'll do the Spark PR dashboard for Beam instead of working on ReviewBot. Because this is annoying, or this is, more specifically, not a lot of fun. Yeah, okay, that's not gonna work, is it? All right. Var run docker.sock sudo chgroup -adm. Oh. Whatever. Different error message. Gcloud. Huh. Docker images. Okay. Let's build this Docker. Go back to our build, wherever the hell that went. Docker build -t. Okay, let's try tagging mention bot, docker tag, and let's try this. Okay, docker push. Huh. Well, we found a feature or a bug. I'm thinking we found a bug. Probably a G-Cloud bug. I'm gonna send my work email a note. No. Docker snap G-Cloud. Well, okay. I think I can come back to. Okay, but that's main thing. Actually succeeded doing a Docker push for our happy image. Let's go find our whatever the hell. Oh yeah, cube. Let's go back here. Is this the one? Yeah, okay, this is the one. Kubectl logs. Okay, yeah, so kubectl pods pod kubectl kubectl get pods. Oh, I forgot the word get. Okay. Kubectl delete pods. Okay, yeah. All right. Cool. Now kubectl. Okay, let's go look at webservice.yaml and webdeployment.yaml. Yay. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's go ahead and change this to our whatever. Oh. Kubectl service. Delete service web. Delete deployments.extension. Cool. Let's go ahead, good friend kubectl logs, service web. Oh, cool. This is promising. The login on 123 failed, and it's listening on port 5000. Okay, that's actually kind of what we would expect. GitHub user token of 123 probably was not going to work unless GitHub had a really shitty random number generator. Where was our kubectl exit? No, this isn't. No, I don't want the kubectl cheat sheet. Fuck. Whatever. Okay. Well, running. Okay. kubectl get. All right. Port 80, maybe? Oh, fuck. Forgot to give it an external IP. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Okay. But that's, it's a start. Okay. So now we can go in. Kubectl delete. Kubectl pods. Why is that still running? Kubectl pods delete. Pod delete. Is it delete pod? Damn it. Why is this hanging? Alright, it's just slow. That's cool. So it looks like the convert doesn't assign it like public IP. If I'm not very good with Kubernetes. Environment. This is the So that's the web deployment. Let's go look at the service. Well, okay. I guess I should have paid more attention. Okay. Describe SVC front end. Web dash service. Yeah, there is no load balancer ingress. Interesting. Let's go look at our restart always. Why does this? What does compose service type load balancer do for me? No. Yeah, okay, that's what we want. Services, front end, labels, okay. Cool. I'm gonna put some music back on because this is kind of boring. And boring work goes best with bad techno. Whatever. I don't know why the delete is slow, but I also don't really care a lot. So let's go find, where's that translation? Okay. Yeah, so we're going to redo our compose convert. Let's go ahead and take a look at what changed in the input YAML files. Yeah, reload from disk. Cool. This looks like what we want. Cool. Describe service. Yay! Message ensuring load balancer. ensured load balanced. Okay, ensured load balanced. Here we go. No newer entries yet, but I don't know why it's not being super happy. I mean, there is the fact that the login name is kind of garbage. kubectl logs. Oh. kubectl get pods. kubectl. Oh, image pull back off? Oh, shit. Sorry. My bad. I forgot that we edited the image name manually in the output, so that's why it didn't work. Cool. That'll take a second. We'll go back into our input, our lovely Docker Compose. Docker Compose, can I specify the Docker Compose specify image name? I don't remember. Yeah, okay, it's just container name. Okay. Container name. Put it on the same line. In this case, we published as okay, go back and do our convert again. Create the services again. Oh. It does not like... Oh, that's not container name. I want... Oh, it's called... image. I don't... Oh, yeah, it didn't create anything. So that's cool. Cool. Ah. I'm going to go look in our logs again. Huh. Interesting. Error creating load balancer. Failed to persist updated status to API server. Even, huh. Weird. Oh. Well. What the fuck? This loop is weird. Huh. It says insured, but then it also deleted the load balancer. This is the load balancer ingress. Yeah, okay, cool. So that's a start. Probably the easiest way to test it is going to be to test it with one of my own projects, and then once I've done that, I can file the infra tickets with ASF to try and turn it on for ASF projects. So, that being said, before we do that, I want to fix these giant security warnings that we got, because that's terrifying. And I also have to set up some authentication credentials before we try and use this. So, yeah, okay, cool. Go ahead and delete this shit again. And it's like npm outdated. Dang. Wait. Let's look up how to use npm outdated. Wait, but this says current, and then latest is 601. Or, oh shit, okay, these aren't lining up. This is 2304. Okay, what does Babel Jest do? Yeah. Well, be nice if there was a changelog, but npm test. Let's run the tests first. Okay, that passes. Okay, let's do a git commit for where we are. Git add a load balancer. So the service is accessible. Specify image of the one I pushed for now. Okay, cool. That looks good. Let's try updating shit. I really do not know anything about npm, so fuck. So let's go find package. Yeah, I don't care. So GitHub version is deprecated. Let's go look this one up. This one seems the most important. These three are the ones that are going to suck. So let's go read this. OctoKit rest.js. Okay. This is going to be annoying to change. Fuck. But let's do that since it's a core dependency. Fifteen 15.9.4. Let's upgrade to octokit rest.js. Well, let's go look at server.js. Let's try running the tests and see. Huh. Wait. Am I? Oh. Not the most surprising thing. Okay. Ugh. 10 tests failed, 24 succeeded. Mention bot.js line 224, line 224, line 224. Okay, so This is GitHub mention test. OctoKit rest is a non-trivial change forward, but huh. Line 22. Yeah. Wait, where is this fail? Fails inside of mention bot. So GitHub is null. Hey, do you mind if I ask a newbie Python 3 question? I mean, I'm more likely to be able to help with Python 3 than I am the JavaScript stuff I'm working on right now. So sure, go for it. Get diff for pull request. Get diff for guess owners. Okay, so this is coming from, I mean, this test is from GitHub mentions test. So I would expect to see that line 370. if GitHub is null, so like raise JavaScript raise exception. Hmm. 575. Mention bot.js. The slide number doesn't really make sense. Object.guess owners for pull request. Oh. Oh, interesting. Git stash npm test. Okay. Ah, interesting. It was actually depending on something in the cache directory. That's weird. But okay, that's great. That works now. So that's the OctoKit upgrade. There was another one which was like important. Like the one that mentioned the DOS attack. npm outdated. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and build this. And I didn't have to delete them, but I think that one of the things might be in the cache layer. I guess I could have just built it first. That would have actually probably been smarter. But okay, let's go take a look. No, I don't really care. Okay, min match, mini match 210. So that's weird though. I don't see mini match in my dependencies. Right, I think. Oh, fuck. Package. No, it's in there. Wait, what the hell? This version number. I'm really confused where minimatch 201 is coming from. So let's to 010. All right. Huh. It's coming in through a node module called handlebars. I don't. Oh, is this coming from... Yeah, okay. This looks like it's coming from Jest CLI. But we explicitly override it here. So that should be fine. So we can ignore that warning because we have a newer version. Anyways, okay, cool. Let's Docker tag. Oh, right, wrong one. Docker tag. Docker push. Oh, shit, yeah, now we need to give it some actual useful permissions. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna do that in a tab over here, just because it's gonna involve creating sorry for the brief delay where I go into secret time. I just don't really want to passwords, add password. Okay, I guess it didn't like that. Sorry, this part is secrets. Not well kept secrets, but you know. Cool. Okay, so let's go open our configuration. It's like web-deployment. Yeah. So username is going to be Holden-MB, and can I just leave this blank and it'll read from the token here? We're going to find out. Security. Oh, cool. Wants me to verify my email address before let me generate API token. It's pretty reasonable. Once again, I'm going to go open up my Gmail just in a private screen, just in case someone sent me anything particularly private. Verify email address. Cool. Email was verified. Generate a new token. Should only need read and write team discussions. Okay, I'm gonna be lazy and put this in here. Cool. For now, and just write that manually, and now we're going to go kubectl create. Go ahead, go over here. Oh. Okay, delete the services. Create the services. Let's go ahead. We can go kubectl describe SVC. And once this gets a public IP address assigned to it, we can try hitting it, and then I can enable it on my personal repos. And then we can enable it in the Spark repo, and then I can check my email and see what the Beam people said, and we can enable it on Beam if they're okay with that, and if they're not, then we won't. And let's punch in the word Beam, email really quickly. Yeah, no sign off on doing this inside of Beam, so we're going to create the, for Beam, we'll do the Spark PR review dashboard. Cool. It's taking its time to ensure the load balancer is created. Cool. In theory, it's load balanced. Okay. GitHub mention bot is active. Whoop. That being said, I don't really want to just depend on this IP address. Might want to change it at some point in the future, so let's go ahead and do something else. Let's yeah. Well, I mean, actually, whatever. We can start with the IP address and go from there. This is no. This is a different IP address. Yeah. So let's go ahead. Spark testing base is webhooks, add a webhook. Cool. And we can test this by making a PR to Spark testing base. Actually, there's a bunch of PRs. Oh, actually, yeah. The simplest PR that we could make is Spark 3 is now around, so we can, sorry, 2.3, not 3. So let's go and make a PR. Looks like I don't actually have this checked out yet to this machine. So 2.2.0 will become 2.3.1. Is that the version? No, it's 0.10. Okay. Update Spark testing base version. Update README to Spark 231 and Spark testing. Cool. Let's look and see if there's any newer logs. Okay. kubectl get pods, kubectl logs. Oh, well, that's not good. The login failed. Oh, cool. Okay, so, could not read property owner undefined. Login to Holden MB failed. So that's not good, but I mean, it gives us something to work with. Let me grab another. That is the GitHub token and the GitHub username. Or I guess personal access tokens, whatever. Let's delete that one. Generate a new token. Oh, cool. So the account got flagged, I think. Damn it. Okay. This is going to take too long because the account keeps getting flagged because it doesn't have anything in it besides an access token. So let's go ahead and switch to the other thing that I wanted to do today. We got part of the way through this one. It's not the best, but also not the worst. I can kubectl delete this stuff. Yeah, delete. Other one that we wanted to do is the Spark PR dashboard. Spark PR dashboard. And this is nice. I have a fork of it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and clone the fork to my local machine. I'll leave that running. And go back in here, add, oof, this has not been touched for a long time, add remote, Databricks, git remote, add Databricks, cool, git pull, Databricks, master, all right, cool, more up to date, git push, git checkout -b, support Beam. And so there's a whole bunch of shit which is hard-coded to Spark, but honestly not that much. So I'm just going to go in and try and make this work with Beam today. Static JS views okay. All right. So this is the PR table view, app manager. Yeah, PR table view.js, app manager.js. Wait, what is JSX? JSX. Oops. Wait. Is this generated from something? Oh, here, actually, yeah. This is all generated from lovely settings.cfg, so we don't even have to manually customize this stuff. That's great. Settings.cfg. The GitHub project is Apache /Beam. We're going to use this for now to do local dev. can do this. The client ID is probably secret. I don't know. I'm going to do that part and maybe not. Well, yeah. Some of these parts are secret. Oh, I should update this at some point. We'll fix this later, though. For now, okay, actually, let's go read the README in a nicer to read view than a text file. Oh, no, I already have Python 2.7 installed. There we go. That's what I need. Okay. Cool. I'm going to update the settings.cfg with the correct configuration, and we'll put that somewhere else. Yeah, it's not going to happen. Virtual env. That's that. Oh, all of these things are deprecated. Wow. These are way more deprecated than the other package. But that's okay, right? So yeah, the GitHub OAuth key, client ID, client secret. I'm gonna go fill that all out in my account. But I'm gonna do that part in the other window so that y'all don't see my tokens. So github.com. Or I guess I can keep this part up until we get to the secret part. Go in, settings, what was it that I needed? I need a OAuth key. Okay. It's probably developer settings. Cool. So I'm gonna go over here, get a new OAuth token. Application name. Beam PR dashboard. For now, we're going to use the localhost 8080 Actually, I guess this is all still public. And then authorization callback for now will also be this GitHub callback. And then I'm going to go move it into the other one while it gives me my secret token. Client ID, client secret. Yeah, okay, cool. My requests. Beam PR dashboard. Cool. Generate token. Copy this pasta. And cool. Now I can bring this back in. Can close this, and we can go back to running the dev app server. Let's hope this works. This okay, we're gonna go here. And we are going to update GitHub pull requests. Run that now. Request failed with status 500. What about this one? Request failed with status 500. Not happy. Oh, it's looking for settings.cfg.local. Okay. Cool. And we can see that the tasks actually succeeded. Yay! Okay. Let's take a look at what the application looks like. Does this... Okay. It's making a lot of requests. Totally fine. It's probably building its initial database of all of the Beam pull requests, which it looks like that's what it's doing. That's a token that I'm going to have to, unfortunately, revoke. It's unfortunate that the debug information prints the authorization token out. I hate my life. But that's fine. It only has read permissions on public data. So just don't be a jerk in the next, 30 seconds, and I can revoke this token. Cool. I'm going to go revoke that token, and we'll generate a new one. Again. Sorry. Where is my GitHub friend? None of these are them. I closed it. Okay, cool. GitHub.com. Settings. Developer settings. Personal access tokens. Delete. Yep. Okay. Token's all gone. Sorry about that. I didn't realize it was going to print out the token to my terminal, or I would not have showed it. Once again, this is local dashboard 2. Okay. Data store logs. And then we can tail-f data store grep-v. All right, now we can get the logs without my authentication token showing up in them, hopefully, unless I screwed up. Okay, localhost port 8080. Yeah, not working. Okay, cool. Cron Jobs. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to run the one which runs every 24 hours, which is update all open pull requests. Hopefully the grep that I did means that we're not going to trigger that. Sorry, we will trigger it, but like it won't print out my authentication tokens. I mean, it looks like it's working okay. Okay. Yeah, dev dependencies are out of date. That's more or less what we would expect. It's gonna run for a while, fetching updated pull requests. In the meantime, I'm gonna get this deployed on a public facing thing. Use different Oauth key and application. Applications. Okay. Developer settings. New Oauth Beam PR dashboard 2. Callback. Yeah. Okay. So, This is clearly going to take a long time because there are a lot of instances of this. I guess let's try and register it. I have not used App Engine in forever. So let's figure out how to generate this. Oh yeah. Cool. Yeah, where's my Google Cloud console? Maybe here. Nah, whatever. cloud.google.com. Switch to my demo account. Make an App Engine app and upload the PR dashboard. Huh. Well, it's going to take about a minute to complete. I guess we can keep looking at the logs over here. No, still pulling in stuff from the data store logs. It's fine. Yeah. I don't particularly want a tutorial. Sure. No, I don't want any of this. Okay. So we're going to go back in here. We're going to switch this Spark PRs to Beam PRs. Looks reasonable. Yeah. The DevOps server works just fine. Why won't it let me press continue? This tutorial is frustrating. Probably because it wants me to press whatever. This tutorial is frustrating. It won't let me skip forward. App Engine, upload. App Engine. Let's go find that tutorial in a version which will let us skip through it. Cool, here we go. This is what we want to do. Okay, let's check index.yaml and make sure this also matches what we want to do. Looks fine. Okay. the application field is specified in app.yaml. This field is not used by gcloud and must be removed. Wait, what's the field? Wait. The application field is what the oh, beam-prs. Okay. Sure. No. That is not what I want to do. -- application. Oh, it wants -- project. Ah! That's 515. Okay. -- project. What the fuck was this called? Beam-prs. Except, yeah, I have to make that project now. Okay, cool. New project. Oh, this is going to be annoying. Is there a way to specify the target URL? Okay, appspot target URL. It's based on the project ID. Can I set it in another way? Python App Engine target URL. No, looks like it wants this. Yeah. Okay. Why didn't it let me make a new project? That's creating the project. Okay, cool. Probably. It's created that. Let's go in a new project. Let's go home. Did it not actually make it? All right. don't know why this won't show me the project that I just made. Maybe there's a delay. Maybe it doesn't want me to create another project because this account is in a interesting state because it's backed by another account. Okay. Select a project, all, whatever. We can put a CNAME in front of it or something. Shit. So it's gonna have to have some pieces changed to make this work. Because the config file, which has a bunch of secrets in it, unfortunately, let's try this once more. Beam. No. All right. Developer settings. And it's going to be, oh, cool. Errors were uncounted. Yeah. So I changed a file while it was running. This is our target URL now, though. GitHub client secret. And then this becomes meow. Okay. Let's rerun the deploy with the new settings. Updating services. Failed. What the? Alright, let's just do this. I think it's just doing tar or something. Okay, updating service, setting traffic split for service. Okay, this looks more promising. Updating config. Alright. Ooh. What happens if I run this? Ah! That's... Okay. So, it's empty. But, presumably it's mid-rebuild? I don't know. Let's go take a look at the administrative version. App Engine, dashboard. Services. Yeah. Okay. Debug. Oh, looks good. Instances. Okay, task queue. Cron Jobs. Refresh. Why aren't the cron jobs showing up? Alright, well, we'll do that later. Oh, no, that's fine. Mems cache, blob store, quotas, 17 requests, not a lot, 2 data store calls, firewall rules, allow everything in, task queues. This is the one, why aren't the cron jobs showing up? Let's go take a look at the okay. Okay. Cool. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go into programmer bool. Programmer bool is gonna kick off the backfill PRs job. Damn. Internal server error. That's has a fair number of possibilities. Let's go look at App Engine. See maybe if we see something more useful. Is services, no. Diagnose. Debug. No. That's not what I wanted. Stack driver. Let's go down to our good friend logging. Logs. Instead of GKE, we're going to go find whatever. All logs. No newer logs. No, let's Google project. Really just want to see all logs.
These are clean.
Oh, thank you.
Just leggings and socks.
Do I not have... maybe I don't. Okay, well, App Engine. Task queues. Oh. Okay. I had one request, yeah. Pull queues, cron jobs. No. I can get the logs here. Okay, is that gonna... Okay, let's try hitting this request. Okay, we see a bunch of gets. Internal server error. Huh. App engine get logs. Yeah. Well, I guess we could go request logs. But it's not. I mean, 500. I want my stack trace. Why can't I get my stack trace? Yeah, okay. App engine get stack trace? I don't know. Yeah. JEE logs. How do I get the... No, I am not in the flexible... I'm in the classic environment, I think. Boo's demo projects are rad. Yeah, nothing. Okay. Reading logs in the console. I don't want the app server logs. Oh. Fuck. Whatever. I'm gonna... go to Stack Overflow. This is not what I want. Okay. Or is it? Huh. Maybe it is.
You still on a live stream?
Yeah.
You just live stream your day now?
No, it's just not going well.
Oh. I'm sorry, girl.
It's like... super annoying. I hate software. Okay. Task queues. Still no cron jobs showing up, which is confusing. It's the local version of cron.
Prawn?
No, it's not running. What happens if I go to /cron? Does it give me? No. I don't. Why is the cron job not showing up?
Because Boo's gonna bark at it. Bark. 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 Bark.
Bark.
Bark. Bark. Bark. Would a corona make you code better?
Yeah. Alright.
Do you want the whole one, or should I go get my own?
You should go get your own.
Okay. I love you.
I love you too. So cron.yaml is here. Cron.yaml, cron job not showing up. Oh, did I not deploy the cron? That would make a lot of sense. Cron.yaml. There we go. Okay. Now I should be able to... that's Google Voice. This is what I want. Oh, I'm the wrong user. There we go. Run now. Okay. app.yaml, cron.yaml, index.yaml. Oh, and probably q.yaml. Oh, maybe I was missing the queues. I could see that. So we were missing these queues most likely, which is why we were getting a 500. Okay, let's go into queues. These are the pull queues. These are the push queues. There we go. Okay, let's go back to that. It's like, I don't remember. Well, let's run this part. And we're going to go over here, get this part, task GitHub backfill PRs. Okay, cool. There we go. In queue tasks to backfill 5,951 PRs. That's awesome. So this should be working at some point, hopefully. Let's go look at our queue. No, it's a push queue. Show quotas. Don't care. Okay. And why is there nothing in this queue though? If it queued 5,000 tasks, seems suspiciously fast. No. Okay, there we go. Tasks in queue. My suspicion is that I might have to rebuild this with grunt as well. Oh, which is probably not installed. Wow, that's a lot of packages. If we go in static JS, yeah. PR table view. Interesting. Looks like we will have to change a little bit more than I thought. Which is fine. Package.json. Okay. So, app. Oh, it's static JSX. Whatever. I'll just hard code it for now. Well, yeah. No. Is it? Like we have a separate configuration that defines this somewhere else, which is frustrating because it's hard-coded here and I want to reuse that configuration, but I really don't know enough JSX to do that. We'll just use Beam for today because I just want this thing to work. And we can fix more of it later. grep-ri python. Let's check the Spark PR dashboard. Spark-PRs. They are grouped into SQL. Oh. Okay, Spark PRs models.py. Okay, so for Beam, these are going to be different. Which, of course, I don't have checked out on this machine either. Go to my fork of it. We're going to do a really basic breakdown to start with, and we'll fix it. We'll improve it from there iteratively. This is PR title and then a file name regex. So this is a start. Where was that git log? Git log. Oh, it really doesn't do all that much. Okay. Okay. Start updating from Spark to Beam. Let's put this in my GitHub. Yeah. Rerun our deploy script. Cool. Huh. Okay. So it's far from perfect, but it's a start. And it lets us see things. Core. Runners is incomplete. Python. Let's actually go flank. Yeah. So what's nice about this is we can see that this is dynamic, right? Like, it hasn't processed these all since we did that push. It's indexed them, and then these queries are running dynamically. So okay, that's this is a thing where we could follow up to the list. So we'll follow up to the dev list on this probably. Proof of concept, Beam PR dashboard based off of Spark's PR dashboard. Spark's PR dashboard to improve discoverability. Took me way longer than planned, and the regexes and components could use some work, but I've got a quick Beam PR dashboard up at yep. The code is a fork of the Spark one, and it's at So it's going to be Spark PR dashboard, and it's in the support Beam branch. It's at this, in the Beam support branch. I don't know how useful this will be for folks, but given the discussion going on around code owners, I figured people were feeling the pain of trying to keep on top of reviews. I'm still working on trying to get MentionBot working. It has some it's being a bit frustrating to upgrade to recent as a non-JS programmer. But if anyone cares about, if anyone has thoughts about what good tags would be for the review dashboard, let me know. I just kicked it off with some tabs which I personally care about. Cool. We'll hit send. It's not perfect. It's pretty far from perfect, but at least it kind of works. And given that my other project resulted in the account being flagged, and me having to follow up with GitHub to get that account unflagged so it can log back in and try and set up MentionBot, I'm gonna take what little success I've had today and call it a day. So thanks everyone for joining me. I'll be doing some more stuff next week on Thursday and Friday, and I hope to see you all around. Have a lovely weekend. If you happen to be, actually, before I go, next week I will be at OSCON 2018 and Cron 2018. So at Cron, I will be talking about the wonders of Spark and how it's maybe not always the greatest introduction to teaching people functioning programming languages, what we got right and what we got wrong at OSCON, and that's in Amsterdam on Monday at OSCON, and I will be, I think, scheduled on the Wednesday. Yes, good. Even in the afternoon, talking about powering TensorFlow with big data using Apache Beam, Flink, and Spark. And I'll probably actually do a little live stream in the morning of getting the demo ready based on some feedback I got from last time. But I don't want to schedule that in advance just because, well, maybe I will. We'll see how my flights work out. Anyways, thank you all for joining me. Thank you, Carolyn, for bringing me at Corona when I got really frustrated with my software not really working. I'm gonna end today's stream. Thank you. Boop.